respected assessor, and my dear friends. Today, I would like to speak on the topic Indo-US relationship, one of the most comprehensive and dynamic partnerships in global politics today. India and the United States share a relationship rooted in democratic values, pluralism, freedom of expression, and rule-based international order. Although during the Cold War, India followed a policy of non-alignment, while the U.S. led the Western Bloc. Post-1991, economic liberalization marked a major turning point in bilateral relations. In the strategic and defense dimension, Indo-US cooperation has expanded significantly. The U.S. recognizes India as a key security partner in the Indo-Pacific region. Foundational defense agreements, such as LEMOA, COMCASA, and BECA have enabled logistics support, secure communication, and geospatial intelligence sharing. Joint military exercises like Malabar, Yudh Abhyas, and Vajra Prahar improve interoperability between armed forces and reflect growing trust. This partnership plays a vital role in countering threats like terrorism and regional instability. In the Indo-Pacific context, both nations support freedom of navigation, peaceful resolution of disputes, and respect for international law, especially UNCLOS. Platforms like the Quad, involving India, the US, Japan, and Australia, promote maritime security, disaster relief, and infrastructure development. Moving to the economic relationship, the US is one of India's largest trading partners and investors. Bilateral trade has crossed $100 billion, covering sectors like pharmaceuticals, defense production, and renewable energy. American companies create jobs in India, while Indian professionals significantly contribute to the U.S. innovation ecosystem. In technology, education, and innovation, cooperation spans space research, semiconductors, artificial intelligence, defense technology, and climate action. The India-U.S. initiative on critical and emerging technology is an important step toward long-term technological partnership. The Indian diaspora, numbering over 4 million, serves as a strong bridge between the two countries. Their presence in business, academia, and politics strengthens people-to-people ties. However, challenges remain, including trade protectionism, visa restrictions, defense procurement concerns, and differing foreign policy interests. Yet, both nations have consistently chosen dialogue and pragmatic engagement. In conclusion, Indo-US relations have evolved from hesitation to strategic convergence. This partnership is essential for regional stability, economic growth, and global peace. The future of Indo-US relations lies in mutual respect, strategic autonomy, and shared responsibility in a multipolar world. Thank you.